Personally, I'm from a family of plumbers, you could say. I've got 5 brothers, and all but one are in the plumbing field, and so I've grown up plumbing. Been plumbing since I could carry my dad's tools. Take a lot of pride in what we do. If we come to your house, we're going to come, and when we leave, everything's going to be right. Everything's going to be clean looking. We do 24-hour service. If you call, we'll be there within a few hours if it's an emergency. If it's something we could do just maintenance-wise, we'll set an appointment and be there on time and punctual. When our service techs come to your house, they'll arrive with a fully stocked plumbing van or trailer. We carry a lot of parts on our vehicles. We're not going to show up to your house with a pickup truck and as soon as we see what's wrong, have to run straight to the supply house. Most jobs we can accomplish without any visit to the supply house, and makes it a lot faster for you. If you're looking for a friendly, honest plumber, give us a call at Inline Plumbing.